Type into background overlay like Ali Abdaal in Premiere Pro. Create a new black video and drag it above your video in timeline. Then select it, and in the Effect Controls panel set its opacity to 95. Now in the Effects panel search for Dissolve and drag the Film Dissolve effect to the start and end of the black video. Double-click on each transition and set duration to 5 frames. Now in the Project panel create a new adjustment layer and drag it above the black video in timeline. Search for Gaussian blur and drag it to the adjustment layer. Select it and move the playhead to the start of it, and click on Stopwatch next to blurriness to create a starting keyframe. Now hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key to go forward 5 frames and set it to 40. Move the playhead to 5 frames before the end of it, and click on the circle button. Move the playhead to the end and set it to 0 to create the last keyframe. I also recorded a video of my screen which I typed into a black background with a white text. Here I recorded this video in Photoshop, but you can use any software you want. Drag the video to above the adjustment layer and position it after the transition ends. Select it, and click on the rectangle mask to add a mask to it. Adjust the size and position of the mask to only cover the text and background parts. Then set blend mode to screen to keep the whites and remove the blacks. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.